Hi, hello, vanakkam, vandanam, namaste, namaskaram. This is your friend Vickyroid, and you're watching Vickyroid's YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm just going to show you the camera quality of Cool 48 megapixel and then Cool 6 21 megapixel selfie camera. So, this is a screen recorder. So, it is what you're seeing is a screen recorder. So, I'm just capturing my screen, which is showing the my pop-up selfie image quality, which is about 21 megapixel, and now I'm going to show a 48 megapixel artificial intelligence camera. So what you're seeing is a back camera. So the best thing in this phone, which is coming with the artificial intelligence. So when I show this plan to the camera, see here it is showing greenery, which means the artificial intelligence it's working here. If I press no artificial intelligence, it won't show anything, right? It won't show, and it won't generate any uh, changes in the camera quality. But when I press artificial intelligence, it shows a greenery, which means the artificial intelligence is working at the background, which is capturing the image or capturing the camera what it looks, and it generates the quality. So it is shows greenery. When I remove it didn't show greenery. When I show back again, it will show the greenery. And then the time is 5:30. So I'm just seeing the sunset coming down. So see, when I zoom into 4x, it automatically detects the exposure and change it to mode, and it also shows sunset, which means it takes the camera, and again it takes what it is seeing, and then it changes its mode. So this is called artificial intelligence. Again, I'm showing a plant, then it goes to artificial intelligence mode and stating that is green or greenery. Some of the photos I have taken while, and I am being uploading it on my YouTube and my Instagram pages. You can have a look at it. Greenery, then sunset, and when we show the beach, it will show beach. When I show the buildings, it detects automatically. Ultimately, the camera quality is awesome. When I show any animals, it shows animals. So this is what about the camera quality of